Hello, welcome back to my channel. So if you have been following me, you know that I've been contributing to the Biome JS project. So I've started to learn Rust and I decided to use that to contribute to an open source project, and I decided to use it for the Biome JS project. And I started this pull request to add a use consistent error return rule, which is a rule that is already in ESLint, and I'm trying to port it to Biome as well. So I started this pull request a few weeks ago, and since my last commit, I got a few comments. So if this is your first time coming here on this channel, please don't forget to like this video, to subscribe, and I really appreciate if you can show some support to this channel so that I could continue to record videos about what I do. And if you have some suggestions on how I can improve this channel as well, I really appreciate that you can leave a comment below. So let's get back to my pull request. So as I was saying, so since my last commit, I got a few comments, but the good thing is this pull request has already been approved, which means that the changes are accepted. So this is the good news, which means that the changes will be merged. But I still have a few comments, but these comments are nits or nitpicks comments. And if you want to understand what this label means, we can go to the conventional comment. So there are labels who can help to know in which category the comment falls in. And the comment I got are nitpicks comments, which means that they are not blocking for the pull request to be merged. So that's really good news, which means that my changes are okay. But let's just fix the comment that I got. So for instance, this comment is just a suggested change, which means I could just add this change here right in GitHub. So I could just say that I could just add the commit here, so I don't necessarily need to go to VS Code to make this commit. So this change is now applied, so that's good. So I got other changes as well that I could also apply. So there is another one related to a dot. That is missing. So here I have a dot that is missing. I could also apply this change as well. I could also have put all the commits in a batch, but that's okay. I could. So I think these are the two suggestions that I've got. So I think that they are okay. Now the other suggestion as well that I have is to remove this extra parenthesized expression. So the reason why I was suggested to remove this is that, well, the comment is self-explanatory. It says that if I still have this expression, it will lead to double parentheses. So I just have to as well to commit this. So basically, for all the comments I got, so they were just simple to fix. So I just applied the suggestions. So I got some suggestions. So I just have to apply the suggestions right away here in GitHub. I could also gone back to VS Code to also make the same changes, but since the suggestions were related to some lines of code, and I have those lines of code here on GitHub, I just went and just apply the changes. Kind of makes my life easier, and then at the same time also the author of the comment could see that his suggestions I applied them right away. So that's great. I think that now after all these nitpicks comment are resolved, I think that this pull request is ready to be merged. Well, after this pull request be merged, I could still go and make other changes or other contribution to this repository, but I just want to have this first pull request to be merged. It means a lot to me. It means that now that as I'm learning Rust, I could really use my Rust programming and contribute to an open source project. It means that open source project is not as overwhelming as we may think about it. It's true that as we contribute to open source, there are stuff we don't know. For instance, as I'm contributing to this open source project Biome, there are a few things that I did not know about Biome before, but what helped me to get into this pull request is to read the documentation, the contribution guide, as I've already explained, and this helped me to get familiar with this repository. And then as I understood a few things, it helped me to land this first pull request. But it's not going to be the end. I'm sure that there are other pull requests that I could contribute within this repository, but I'm super happy, super excited to see that as I'm learning Rust, I could directly use my Rust and contribute to something within the open source. So if there is something that I always encourage people to do, is to get their hand dirty and contribute to open source, because I feel like it helps all of us to make our world better, safer when we do contribute to open source. It needs not to be the work that is done by some developers, some that we do consider to be geek. Personally, I don't consider myself to be a geek. I only consider myself to be a dedicated software developer. So I highly recommend to everyone to contribute to open source if you are able to do so, and you will learn a lot as you get your hand dirty and contribute to open source project. So I hope you enjoyed this video, probably the last about this pull request, which had the use consistent arrow return rule. For now, I think that maybe the next video that I already called about Biome.js will be maybe adding options to this use consistent arrow return, because if you go to the ES link related to my pull request, so this ES link, it has some options. So for now, these options are not yet implemented in my pull request. So in a follow-up contribution, I will try to implement these options as well, and try to have a feature parity with what is done here in ESLint. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about this pull request, what you think about the fact that it's my first time using Rust. If you yourself you have already contributed to open source, if you yourself are learning a new programming language, I will be interested to know about your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know about that, and as for me, see you in another video.